congratulations. I really enjoyed teaching you. You've just been a really delightful student, and you've worked extremely hard. And I'm really proud of you. I want you to know that. Ginny, can I hug you? Good. All right. Really fun to teach you. And you know what? I think you're going to be a really good speech maker someday. I really think so, because you like to talk and you got lots of expression. So I think we're going to make a really good speaker out of you. Okay? Congratulations, honey. So congratulations to you. All right? And you did a really good job, okay? You're learning to read now and everything. But he got the best mark in the class for listening. He's a very good listener. So good job. Come over here, sweetie, so that they can get a picture. Okay? So Tony, I enjoy marking your work because you do everything so neat and tidy. You are an excellent printer and you do things very nice and neat, and I really enjoy marking your work. Okay, congratulations on completing. You're going to be a really good speaker too. That's one thing I want to say about you. You're nice and loud, and you bring your voice across really nice. So I'm looking forward to working with you further in becoming a really good speaker. Okay, congratulations, and there's my little studious girl here. She's so studious and works really hard. Even if Mrs. Foss is not giving her much attention, she sure worked really hard and did her very best at everything. Okay, good job. I think you have the best smile in the class. I love it when you smile. Okay, you're quiet, but you're so nice and active, and you like to do sports. And I hope that you can learn more about sports in Canada while you're here, okay? All right, here's your certificate. Congratulations. The girl that I thought was so quiet, but I can see now she's a joker and she loves to have fun. And the one thing that I love is that she plays ice hockey. So cool. Congratulations. Thank you for being such a great student. Here you go. And here's your toonie.